Okay, guys, so we back with another review with Happy's Pizza here in Michigan. And we got a barbecue chicken pizza. We got some chicken wings.
And some
with barbecue sauce, some pepperoni pizza with the Parmesan flavored crust. And then we got the chocolate chip cookie. Let's see what it's hit though. So this pizza right here, y'all. Really good. As you can see, it has chicken. The barbecue sauce is right. I don't know if they use their famous sauce for Happy's, but I grew up on this stuff. But I never had this before. I don't know if it's a new item, but I'm gonna say an 8 out of 10. These wings right here, very good. Like original Detroit style wings. So I'm gonna say probably a 8 out of 10. Pizza. Pepperoni. I did get a Parmesan. 8 out of 10. They don't really do that much with that crust, as you can see. But a pizza be slapping. About 8 out of 10. And then this brownie right here. Delicious. It ain't too thick like how Pizza Hut be. It's thin, it's warm, it's gooey. I'm gonna get this out of 9 out of 10. So if you're in Michigan or any of the surrounding areas that have Happy's Pizza, definitely hit up Happy's Pizza, y'all.